Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find GoDaddy Nameservers. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, you'll need to access your GoDaddy account. Once logged in, you're going to navigate to your domain portfolio. This area houses all of the domains you own through GoDaddy. You'll want to identify and select the specific domain you're currently working with. After selecting your domain, you'll be directed to that domain settings page. Now our next focus is locating the DNS section. Go ahead and click on it. Inside the DNS settings page, there is a specific section devoted to name servers. Here is where the magic happens. By default, you might find GoDaddy's name servers listed here. These are the standard name servers GoDaddy provides when you purchase a domain through them. Now, if you happen to be managing your DNS settings somewhere else, maybe through another hosting provider, there's an option here for you as well. Click on Change Name Server and then look for the choice to use My Own Name Servers. This will allow you to enter alternative name server addresses. You'll want to have these addresses handy, typically provided by your hosting service, because it's a simple matter of copy and paste to enter them here. And just like that, you found your GoDaddy name servers and you're well equipped to manage them going forward. So that is how you can find GoDaddy Nameservers. So that's all for this video. Thanks.